Hey there, welcome to Healthy ASAP. We're so excited to have you here with us. On this channel, we're all about living healthier, happier, and more fulfilled lives through exercise, nutrition, and mindfulness in a fun and interactive way. From quick remedies, workout routines, and healthy recipes to meditation techniques and stress management tips, we've got everything you need to take your health and fitness to the next level. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall well-being, we've got you covered. But we can't do it alone. We need your support to make a real impact. By liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing to our channel, you're helping us reach more people and inspire them to live healthier, more active lives. So if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to share our content with your friends and family too. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas, so please leave us a comment down below. Together, we can create a community of individuals committed to living their best lives. Are you tired of trying to squeeze into your favorite pair of jeans? Want to shed those extra pounds and feel confident again? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to explore the most publicized ways of losing weight, from surgical options to trendy diets and everything in between. Get ready for some jaw-dropping revelations and surprising pros and cons. But before we begin, we want to stress the importance of consulting with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all solution and should be approached with caution and care. First up, we have a weight loss method that's been making headlines and transforming lives: bariatric surgery. This surgical option is not for the faint of heart, but it's been proven to be one of the most effective ways to achieve significant weight loss for those who qualify. The shock factor? Well, some patients can lose up to 60% or more of their excess weight. However, it's not without its cons. Bariatric surgery is invasive, costly, and carries risks like any surgical procedure. It also requires significant lifestyle changes and careful follow-up care. Next on our list is a classic approach: caloric restriction. It's simple, right? Just eat less, move more, and watch the pounds melt away. But wait, there's more. Studies show that cutting calories can lead to weight loss and improved health. However, it can be challenging to sustain over the long term, and it may result in nutrient deficiencies if not done carefully. Plus, it can be emotionally taxing and require meticulous tracking of food intake. Now, let's talk about a workout trend that's been taking the fitness world by storm: high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Get ready to sweat and feel the burn with this heart-pumping, calorie-blasting workout. HIIT has been shown to improve cardiovascular fitness and rev up metabolism, making it a popular choice for weight loss. But beware, it's not for the faint of heart, as it can be physically demanding and may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions. Now let's dive into the world of diets. Low-carbohydrate or ketogenic diets have gained immense popularity lately. These diets promote eating more healthy fats and fewer carbs to shift the body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel. The intrigue? Some studies suggest they can lead to rapid weight loss and improved blood sugar control. However, the shocker: They can be challenging to sustain, may result in nutrient imbalances, and have potential side effects like keto flu in the initial phase. Let's not forget the power of the mind when it comes to weight loss. Behavioral modification is all about changing our eating and exercise habits. The intrigue, techniques like mindful eating, portion control, and stress management can lead to sustainable weight loss and improved overall well-being. However, the cons: it requires consistent effort, self-monitoring, and may take time to see results. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any weight loss journey. So there you have it, the most publicized ways of losing weight. From surgery to diets and lifestyle changes, each method has its pros and cons. Whether you're intrigued by the dramatic results of bariatric surgery, puzzled by the challenges of caloric restriction, pumped up by the intensity of HIIT workouts, enticed by the potential of low-carb diets, or inspired by the power of behavioral modification, the choice is yours. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before. Can you imagine losing weight while indulging in delightful sweetness? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, hold on to your taste buds and get ready for our next video. Join us as we uncover the incredible secrets behind these surprising sweet treats that can transform your weight loss journey. Are you ready to embark on a mouth-watering adventure towards a slimmer, happier you? Don't miss out. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we can't wait to continue this journey with you towards a healthier, happier life. Healthy ASAP, inspiring healthy fun.